Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing an unboxing for you of Graco's new Project Series paint sprayer. Now yes, they gifted me this product. I have purchased my own Graco paint sprayer about a year ago, or maybe 2 years ago. Absolutely loved it. They reached out to me a couple weeks ago asking if I would like them to send me this new series. I said, heck yes, I love Graco products, so let's get into it. It's a TrueCoat 360, which basically means you can spray it from any direction, upside down, left, right, all that jazz. It's interior and exterior. Digging on in, of course, your manual. There are 1,000,001 other YouTube videos out there with people using Graco's products, so if you ever have any issues or questions, YouTube is your best bet. They give you this funnel, have your little cap, and it looks like, oh that's cool. Clips right on in to said top, which attaches to where you hold the paint. We'll get there. A nice carrying bag with their logo on it. Comes with some other really cool goodies. Think of, you know, a DIYer and your projects, you're gonna need all these things. Because if not, you'd have to go buy them unless you already have them. For your paint can. When you are trying to pour your paint, you put this onto your paint lid and then you can pour the paint out without it dripping on the side of the paint can, which is probably what all my paint cans look like. They also give you their pump armor, basically for storage protection. This plastic piece gives you an extra cap. Oh, no way. That is cool. So it is a laminated, basically step-by-step process. That is so cool. This is new to the box. My last one that I purchased never had this. Definitely keep that. Bunch of you can reuse these if you clean them out well enough, but these are what hold your paint. Plastic surround, the plastic paint cup goes in there. The plastic top secures around it. And then it has this nice little filter, and this filter clicks in. And then last but not least is the actual variable speed pump. Nice. Cool. Oh, I'm wondering too. Oh, it's for stain. Okay. And it's in a, Jesus. Right here is for stain. So they provide you with this filter. This is what originally comes on it. This is for paint. This filter. You switch that out when you're using stains, and the blue tips, the spray tips, are for paint. They're for stain. So that, you guys, is everything that comes in the box. Pretty cool for a project series if you are in the market. This guy is pretty freaking cool. All right, you guys, that is gonna wrap up the video for today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of Graco's Project Series paint sprayer. Like I said, yes, they did gift it to me. Yes, I'm very grateful they did that, but they've got no idea I am making this YouTube video, nor are they paying me to say the things I'm saying or do the things I just did with the unboxing. So if you guys did like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and also subscribe so you don't miss any more videos with me. And also don't forget about my other social medias where I'm a little more active, like Instagram and TikTok and Facebook, Colleen and me, Maker Co. And that's it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!